Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an image carousel in Webflow. First, navigate to the Add Elements panel and drag a slider component onto your canvas. This forms the foundation of your carousel. Next, access the Settings panel to adjust properties like the number of slides and their dimensions. Finally, select each slide and add your desired images, ensuring they are properly sized for your design. Now, let's refine the user experience. Select the navigation arrows and dots to style them, matching your brand's aesthetic. You can change their color, size, and position easily. In the slider settings, set the autoplay duration and choose whether the carousel loops continuously. Remember to check your design across desktop, tablet, and mobile breakpoints to guarantee a seamless and responsive display for all users. For more dynamic carousels, connect your slider to a CMS collection. This allows you to automatically populate slides with content like product images or testimonials, saving significant time. You can also apply custom interactions and animations to individual slides or the entire carousel, creating unique transition effects. Consider exploring custom code or third-party libraries for advanced features not natively available, expanding your design possibilities. Before publishing, optimize all your images. Large files can significantly slow down your website, impacting user experience and SEO. Compress images without losing quality, aiming for efficient loading times. Thoroughly test your carousel on various devices and browsers to catch any display or functionality issues. Ensure smooth transitions and correct responsiveness everywhere. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Publishing your optimized carousel will provide a fast, engaging experience for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.